Hello everyone, welcome back to a new video. This is Subi from Citrus Journal Studio. Today we are going to be making this Cottage Christmas Journal. I have printed out a few pages from the Cottage Christmas Kit, and I have added a few additional packaging papers that you see, like a brown paper, and then this paper I just made myself. And again, I've cut like this yellow kind of a packaging paper. I thought like it would suit this theme. And this again, I've cut like a large paper bag in half, and I thought like I could use those the inside pockets as to store like the ephemeras or something like those. So this is what I'm going to do. I want to make this into a journal, and this is again another paper bag that I want to use it as a cover for this entire journal. For this project, I wanted to start from the cover. So this is a piece of lace fabric that I had, and I thought like I could cover this paper bag with this, the fabric. And for the outside or the other side, I have this white kind of a off-white burlap situation, so I want to add that there. And then for the closure, I want to add like a tie on both the sides inside the paper bag, using like another piece of fabric or something. And I will use my sewing machine to go through the entire thing. While adding the fabric only, I want to add like the tie. So as you can see, I've added the fabric, used my sewing machine, and I've also added like the tie that you see on both the sides. Again, not my best work with sewing machine. It's just what had to be done. And then this burlap, I want to glue it on the other side. I can just use my glue to stick this one on this side. So that's the cover. I have just worked on the cover, and we've got like the outer, this will be the outer part, and this will be the inside of the journal. And I will place these pages right over here. So I've added a long stitch on the journal papers over here, so that's done. To attach it to the cover, I'm going to use my needle and thread and stitch it to the cover, because the paper bag and with the fabric and all, it's quite thick, so I thought I'll just stitch this part. I'm just making a hole at the center, and then 2 inches above and 2 inches below. And I'm passing my needle through the center first and pass it through the top and then to the bottom, and then bring it back through the center. And I will tie 3 knots to secure the papers to the cover. So there you have it. That's the journal stitched and all sorted out together. To decorate the entire journal, I'm just going to use the complementary kit of this Cottage Christmas, and I will also be adding a few of the old pages, old book papers to collage and add like all the decoration to this journal. These are the pockets for these larger tags that you can just fill in with other ephemeras or other tags. And the kit also comes with a few pockets, so you can also use those pockets to decorate the journal. Again, I'm using this yellow page that you see over here to add this pop of color. The Cottage Christmas Kit has this citrusy vibe to it. It's got like lots of these dried oranges, lemons, holly leaves, and kind of a rustic vibe to it. So I think like adding this pop of color really adds kind of a different element to the journal. I'm also using like this kind of a price tag from one of the cloths that I bought. So I'm also using that to decorate the journal. Again, this is again another price tag kind of a thing that comes with the new clothes. So I'm using that like a tag kind of a thing and adding tags and decorating it inside and outside. This is again from a packaging material. It had this kind of this gold foiled reindeer on it. So I thought like I can just add that to this journal. This kind of this transparent sheet that you see again, this is from a packaging material. And I thought like I could add it like a pocket and insert something inside like an envelope or an ephemera, and it would be really cool, kind of like looking through those lines, kind of a window kind of a thing. Here's the final reveal of this Cottage Christmas Junk Journal. I haven't had the time to decorate the cover, so I will do so later on. But here is like the inside with the junk journal and decoration on those the papers and all those things. And I will include all of the link in the description below. You can check out the Cottage Christmas Kit and the complementary kit in the description below. And this kit is included in the Christmas bundle 2025. If you would like to get a look at what is included in the bundle, you can just check out the shop. It's got like 50 plus kits, almost like 55 kits right now, and the bundle is valued at more than $180, and you get it like in a really good price. So, and you get immediate access to all of the kits that are available in the bundle for the year 2025. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you had a few ideas while making your own journal. And you can follow me on Instagram. You can follow the Facebook page. You can subscribe to the newsletter to get updates and discount codes. And you can also subscribe to my channel and like this video and tell me what idea that you got from this, from this journal. I will see you soon in another video. Bye bye.